Hey, hello there, my friend. That's the old Cajun man coming to y'all from the Bayou land. Wanted to check in with y'all this afternoon. Turned out to be a pretty good day today. Plenty of sunshine and a little bit of drizzle, I think, not much, but sometimes you gotta take that too. Everything we get from the Lord, we gotta say thank you. We had a good time today at the nursing homes. We visited with all our good friends over there. We were able to share a little bit with them, fellowship, and it turned out pretty good. Wanted to let y'all know that. Anyway, we're over here back at the old workshop there. A little bit more peddling around, about to go feed old Duke, the Cajun dog there. I heard him hopping there a while ago. He was barking, so I have to go see about him. Okay, my friends, well, we're gonna see y'all a little bit later on. And y'all take care. On va dire, soyez-vous autres.